So guys, what's up? Welcome to Devlog 3. So rocking the cam this time. Let me know if you prefer these type of videos with a cam or not, but we'll try this one with. So what's changed? So we're on update 0.3. It says 0.4 here, but that's a mistake. So here's all the changes that I've been doing over the past 2 months. It's been pretty hard, but the main ones are completely overhauled the lobby system, started to add dedicated servers, and improved some other stuff and added like a friends list and everything, and some map changes to Cliffside. So this is what happens when you open the game now. Got a nice little new intro as well, all working with Steam as well. So that's nice. Been working a lot on getting the Steam integration sorted, so you can invite people to your lobby and stuff through the Steam overlay now. So you can press F, see all your friends here, you can invite them to party. There'll be like a right click option so you can invite them to your game and whisper them and some other options like that, but that's the friends list for now. You can press F to access it or just click on it, or yeah. And then this is pretty much the same, just added a clearer patch notes panel so you can see all the new changes. So with gameplay, I changed one of the projectile traces, so hopefully it's a bit better this time, and then reduced the vignette amount when you aim in by about 35%, and added arrow trails, and I'll go over them shortly when we go into some of the more gameplay specific stuff. But big focus on the new play tab. So this doesn't work yet, but this is what I want to get working with dedicated servers soon. All the lobbies show up here, so you go create a lobby. You get this matchmaking widget that will follow you around, kind of like the same as Overwatch. And then you click it to return to lobby or just leave from there. All new settings, so you can change them in the lobby when you have players join you. So you can swap between listen and dedicated servers, pick your server region. This is currently, everything works, but there's currently a error on one of the server builds, so they're not working quite yet, but they will be hopefully by next week. And then you can change the game mode. Everything else updates for you. So the team size, you swap the deathmatch, goes to 6. Swap the maps here. Change the visibility, add a password if you want, all that kind of cool stuff. And then there's this lobby key ID as well. So you can join through a lobby key. So you can enter the key here and it'll join you. So if there's loads of games in here and you can't find it, you can just enter the key and do it that way. So you don't have to add people to your friends list to invite them if you're in a tournament or something. Just a handy little feature for that. And then the copy button, but that doesn't work yet. So, and then there's a chat box as well. So we enter the match, I think. So yeah, just training. So you can actually hop into the training range too, and you keep the matchmaking widget, so you know how many players are in the lobby, so you can start the game whenever you want or something. And then just change this as well, so you have 3 options now. You can hop into the settings or just leave from there. It's no longer in the bottom left, so that's a bit just a bit cleaner as well. So yeah. You've got 6 people in your lobby, you're ready to go, you click start match, you enter the game, everyone else follows, and bam, new Cliffside map as well. Show you some of these changes. Kind of changed it all except for the starting point on the bridges. So there's arrow trails, just to make it a bit more visible where your arrows are going and stuff. I know a lot of you in the comments really wanted arrow trails too, so that's been added now. The obstacle indicator check is like really faint now. It's not like a bright red cross, because if you had like a cross and it was over a target, you couldn't see them, so it's kind of a bit weird. So I fixed that. Well, I just changed it a bit. And then there's the actual changes to Cliffside. So you have your clear 3 ways to go out of base. You got your middle, right, and left. You go on the left side, you have these pillars on both sides, so the map's like completely symmetrical, except for a few terrain pieces in the middle and stuff. And then you can hop over here. You can jump on here if you want. I quite like this because you got like a bit of verticality on like quite a flat map. Even though it's quite flat, you can still like go higher and jump over to different parts of the map, which I quite like. And then coming from the other side, completely the same kind of like spawn area. Then you hop over here, you've got your LOS angles on the right, middle, and the left. And then you come down on the left side now, it's no longer a dip, it's just a really slight dip instead. You've got these advantages here. Way more open than it was before, way less cluttered as well. So for those who are Patreons and you're playing the game and testing it and stuff, let me know what you think. And yeah, you can maybe change some stuff up or keep it the same. Let me know. So we're going to hop over to Greybox and I'll just show you some of the changes in here. Nothing special really, just some texture changes. I've removed the health over time effect that was in the middle of the map because it was just prompting everyone to run into the middle and it kind of sucked for gameplay. So I've removed that for now. Still need to fix the lighting a bit in this map, but I'm going to be working on some other maps that are kind of based off this layout. Like a throne room kind of vibe. Castle sort of thing. Which I think might be pretty cool. But that about sums it up for this last month and a half, 2 months or so. It's been quite hard to get all the Steam integration stuff sorted with custom lobbies and everything, and the dedicated servers took me a while as well. There was quite a lot of issues there, and we're super close to getting those working. So the EU West is currently London and NA East is Ohio. So I'll probably add like different some more regions and stuff in the future, but I want to get these two working first on a stable build that we can test with the Patreons and stuff, which will be nice because I want to see how it feels on Deddy servers. But I think that about sums it up. It might not seem like a lot, but yeah, it's been pretty hard to get this stuff working. And yeah, fixed a few bugs too, but that's about it. If you want to play the game and test early, check out the Patreon. If you want to wishlist the game, wishlist on Steam. You find all the links in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.